Welcome to Cloud Data Science News in 60. The year 2020 is now in full swing, so there are some announcements to talk about. First up, Google released a tool for exploratory data analysis. It's a command line tool, not a cloud tool. Sorry, but you can really use it for pretty much any data analysis you need to do. And Microsoft had a flurry of announcements come out around Power BI. Most of them are around data sets and using data sets across workspaces. Plus, the filter pane went live, and they now have multiple items can be supported with their tokens for the Power BI API. And Amazon had two interesting things to note. Translate now supports batch operations, so you can use the entire S3 bucket to do translation on all the documents within that. And QuickSight has some new analytical functions like logarithms and square roots. So that's the news.